Not in Our Town began as a cooperative campaign launched by the BGSU Black Student Union Vision in the city of Bowling Green. The movement was created in response to racial slurs about the Black Student Union and racist graffiti on an African American coach's driveway a few years ago. Now, Not in Our Town celebrates its 6th anniversary in 2019.
Not in Our Town is focused on creating inclusion, diversity, and social justice in the Bowling Green community and on campus.
Now in its 6th year of existence, the organization continues to fight hate. More recently, conversations within Not in Our Town have revolved around a racist attack at the Waffle House on East Worcester Street. Bowling Green Mayor Dick Edwards says it's important to celebrate the organization's anniversary, but the movement's work must stay the course.
We cannot rest on our laurels. You never know, especially in my role as mayor. I don't take anything for granted, and you have to keep working at it.
Not in Our Town members also signed a pledge committing to provide a safe and inclusive environment and to be intolerant of discriminatory acts. Vicky Kulicki really loves how the movement is so welcoming to new members.
Because it's a grassroots initiative, you're not invited to be a part of it. You get to just be a part of it if you want to be engaged.
Not in Our Town will continue to defend the community from hate crimes. Brennan Hall reporting.
Double underscoring of thanks to the co-pastors of First Presbyterian Church.